In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a manager or admin to a Slack channel. Whether you're managing a project, organizing team communications, or simply need to bring someone new into the conversation, understanding how to add members can streamline your Slack experience. So, let's dive right in. To get started, the first thing you need to do is open Slack. This can be on your desktop app or through your web browser. Once you've logged in, take a moment to locate the specific channel where you would like to invite the person. This is important because channels are where the magic happens in Slack. They organize discussions, projects, and files all in one place. When you've found the appropriate channel, click on its name, which you can find at the top of the screen. This is essentially your control center for settings related to that channel. Once you've clicked, a drop-down menu will appear, populated with various options related to the channel. From this drop-down, you'll want to select either Add People or Add Members, depending on what your version of Slack displays. This is the option you'll use to bring new individuals into the fold, contributing to your workspace's collaboration efforts. Now, this is an important stage. You'll have to search for the manager or admin you want to add by entering their name. As you start typing, Slack's intuitive search function will suggest potential matches. This means you don't have to type out the entire name, just enough for Slack to find the right person. Once you see their name pop up in the list, click to select it. Keep in mind, this ensures you've got the right person, and it's also a great way to verify that they're already part of your Slack organization, which is required for them to be added to a channel. After you've selected the correct individual, you'll notice a button that either says Add or Invite. Click it. This action will submit your request, bringing that person into the conversation, and they'll be notified that they've been added to the channel. And there you have it. You've successfully added a manager or an admin to your Slack channel, equipping your team with the leadership and oversight it needs. This straightforward process enhances collaborative efforts and keeps everyone aligned and informed. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more valuable tips on using Slack and other productivity tools. Until next time, keep those communications seamless and efficient.